make some apple juice, homemade apple juice. So first we're gonna put this in the blender.
First we have to cut it.
Okay, so first we're gonna cut it and...
Alright, I'll cut it for you because he's little and I'm bigger. Only adults are supposed to use knives.
I'm actually 10, I'm kidding.
Well, tell them the safety about knives.
Well, they might cut you. That's what happened to me once.
So only adults can use a knife, right?
Yeah.
This is a nice juicy apple.
Juicy is
Pues a ver, no creo que se lo coma.
Oh yeah, take out the stem
Tiene que
too.
empezar aquí.
Take out the stem.
Oh yeah, well, we can take off the stem if you want
And
to.
you take off the stem because we don't...
Oh, those are the seeds. We're not using those.
And we don't need the seeds, so
Okay.
just take
No seeds in there in the apple juice at all, so.
Yeah, because it'll just taste crunchy.
Yeah, they'll taste crunchy, so. So what do you have to say about apples? What do you think about apples, Nick?
They're good.
Yeah, so do you think that they would taste good if they were in juice, apple juice? What color do you think it's going to be?
I think it's going to be like orange.
Orange?
Goldish.
Ooh. Can't wait
So
to taste
let's start
it.
doing it.
Put the cup. Okay, come on over here and get up, stand up on the chair.
So we're going to put apples in this cup right here, this container.
Oh, no. No. They go in here. So you have to turn it on. It's going to be a little loud.
I'll just do my
So,
ears.
no, don't cover your ears. I can push this. You just throw it in there unless you want to push this. You ready?
Yeah.
Want to try it? Here, I'll throw the apple in there and you try it.
That's alright.
Hey. Not the seeds. Here, you do that one now. You do both.
Big one.
Turn it off.
And now we can turn it off.
Oh, we need a cup.
And then
Okay, let me go get a cup. You tell them what color that is.
well, I'll just mix it.
What color is it? Just gonna mix it.
Looks some brownish a little.
Ooh, what are we gonna call this juice?
I think we're gonna
Give it a name. Fresh Sunshine Juice, since it's
Well, I guess we're
yellow.
gonna call
you have to
Guess
give
we're
it a
gonna call-
really good name.
the brightest sun.
The brightest sun juice. No, no le hace.
Yes. We're gonna make up.
A sunflower with a sunny juice.
Toast. Toast.
¿Dos tazas?
Oh, no, aquí con esta. Okay. Well, is that how much you're gonna drink?
Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Taste it.
now a toast to health for Nick. Try it. What do you think about it?
It's good.
It's really good? How about you drink all of it? Show the camera you have to drink all of it so
Show
you
the
know
camera.
it's good.
Did you make a good juice?
Come on. Up, down the hatch. And then we'll go see your video if you drink it. If you drink all of it, we'll see your video. Say goodbye.
Goodbye. And I'll see you next time.